Hey, have you heard about the massive 7.7 earthquake in Myanmar? Deadly stuff, over 1,600 lives lost, and so many areas still unreachable. It's really devastating.
Yep, I saw that. Scrolling through X was just wild. So much chaos and urgency.
Exactly. And right when rescue teams are overwhelmed with info flooding in, there's this AI tool, AIDR, which stands for Artificial Intelligence for Disaster Response. It's designed to sift through social media posts to pinpoint urgent rescue needs.
That sounds like a lifesaver, literally. So let me get this straight. It automatically flags posts saying things like, a building collapsed in northern Mandalay as needing immediate help?
Precisely. It tags those posts as urgent help needed and sends them directly to the rescue teams without having to wade manually through thousands of posts. Saves a lot of time in such
exactly.
moments.
But here's a thought. Doesn't it risk sorting through a ton of unverified or fake info? How can we be sure it prioritizes the right calls?
That's a fair concern. AIDR itself doesn't verify the truth, it just organizes and tags the incoming data. Human oversight is still vital. It's a huge time saver compared to starting from scratch, though.
Got it. And I understand it's already been used in past disasters like that 2023 Turkey-Syria quake?
Absolutely. It proved its worth back then by combing through posts and helping locate trapped people. So even with communications issues, social media, especially platforms like X, remains a key channel.
Yeah, makes sense. So how does one even start using this tool in a crisis like Myanmar now? Is it user-friendly?
Oh yeah, it's pretty straightforward. First, you just go to AIDRQCRI.org, sign up, and log in. Then you create a project, maybe name it Myanmar Earthquake 2025, and add keywords like Myanmar Earthquake and Mandalay Help to guide the tool on what posts to pull.
Interesting. And after that, you connect it to a data source. I imagine that means linking it with, say, X's API to get real-time posts?
Exactly right. Then you train it by manually tagging a sample of posts, like marking someone's trapped as a call for help, or bridge collapsed as damage, usually around 50 to 100 posts so it learns effectively. Once trained, it automatically sorts everything on your dashboard.
That actually sounds super handy, but don't you think it might require a solid internet connection, which might be spotty in disaster zones like Myanmar?
True, that's one of its limitations. The tool relies on data from outside the disaster zone if local networks are down, so it's only as effective as the available connectivity, but it still pulls in useful data from nearby regions like Thailand discussing the situation.
Yeah,